Today I'll be doing my crosswalk button experience in Main Street and Overcash Drive. So as you can see, we have the flashing yellow arrow right there. So here's that flashing yellow arrow signal right there. So we're gonna cross Overcash Drive. This one doesn't click on everything. But until we cross though, because usually I was like at the Target Kingdom, and they had to fix the car, so we're gonna go ahead and cross Overcash Drive. And yeah, there it is. Here's Main Street and all that. Yep, yellow light. And here's the red light. The green light's over there. We're gonna wait until it turns. And we're gonna wait for that green, no, the yellow, no, the gray pedestrian thing to turn on, and then we're out. I think it's gonna wait till it's time though. This one turned yellow once again. Then we're gonna hear, there you go, walk sign. So this over here is a Mustang over here. So wait till it's time. So this one has an 11-second countdown on this one. And that's it, guys.